25-hour rental. How can I help you?
They've released the NiSi Aureus.
Huh? They what?
I need them.
Okay, when do you need them?
Now.
Okay. It was just another day, you know. I was packing orders like every other day, and then phone rings. We weren't ready. No one was ready. I mean, a 46mm image circle and T1.4? That's some serious glass.
A 25-hour failure is not an option. But the NiSi Aureus is like finding a needle in a haystack.
I don't even know I'm here.
Sorry, can I get my phone? I have to get a quick call.
We are so screwed.
Sometimes you have to do questionable things to get great results.
I hope the client pays well, because I definitely need a raise after this.
Wait, was it NiSi Oreos or NiSi Aureus? You know, I would like some Oreos. Can I get some Oreos, please?
Hello? Hi?
Whoa. This is some serious glass.
Wait till you see them in action.
Where are my Oreos?
We done soon? Can I go? No?